Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and e-sign documents in Adobe Acrobat Reader. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Adobe Acrobat Reader if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you can do is go to the official adobe.com website and get started with downloading Adobe Acrobat. So once you've done that, you can go ahead and install it, open it up, and this is going to be the main page you're greeted by, from where we can get started with using it and editing your PDFs. As you can see on this main page, once you open up Adobe Acrobat for the first time, you're going to see the recommended tools, and here you're going to have the option to fill and sign documents. So this is what you can go ahead and use for our e-signature. As you can see right here, by clicking fill and sign, it's going to take you to this page from where you can get started with selecting the file that you want to sign. So go ahead and select the PDF file, and from the left side of the screen, as you can see, you're going to have the add signature option. So it's going to enable you to go ahead and create your signature. Then you can then just go ahead and put on any document that you wish for. So basically guys, this is how it's done. If you need any more help, you can go to this official Adobe website right here with an article on how to get started with e-signing your documents. Is going to give you everything in great detail, so you need to have every piece of information. You're going to go ahead and be able to find it right here to be able to successfully get started with e-signing your documents and sending them to other people. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.